Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I know I have been MIA for the longest, but your girl is back and I have a lot of content planned for you guys. So if you haven't subscribed, take the time out to click the bell, turn on post notifications to be notified when I upload. So basically this video is going to be an unboxing video. I ordered some stuff off of SHEIN, so I'm gonna show you guys that. I have a little package from a supplier that I have in a local supplier. Her name is Thebeautyatashja on Instagram. If you guys are like do lashes, if you guys are a lash tech, right, and you need supplies, you can hit her up on Instagram. I'll leave her handle in the description box. So basically I just ordered some bed rolls, like, you know, you spread it before the clients lie down. So I ordered 2, so they look. So I have to be hurrying because I have a client for 2. So this is the first package from SHEIN. Anyways, I have to bust open my package. So I ordered some glue rings. This can be used for when you're doing removals, or if you box squeeze up, or if you do brows like microblading, micro shading, this can be used. I'm gonna show you. It's like cling wrap, but it's in a box where you can tear it. So you pull it through here and you tear it right here. It's neater, so I chose to order this. And a lash mirror. Just a little mirror, like when my clients finish doing their lashes, they can just, you know, look at it. All right, so that's that. This is the other package. This video is going to be really short. It's nothing that long. So the first one, this is for myself, face brush and a little bando to put over my hair, and push back my hair. I can't pull it and I don't have the time to pull it either. This is another item. This is to put my makeup brushes in. This is so cute. I think I paid like $3 for this. I will try and link each item in the description box so that if you guys are interested in purchasing it off of SHEIN, you can do that. So yeah, this is what I do with this. Put my makeup brushes in there. I can put lip liners if I want, and beauty blenders. Now for the other item, this is some thank you cards. I got this for like $1 and something, I think. I do sell lash cleansers at the studio, so in my little package I will put a thank you card in it. This is a lash mirror. I got this for like $1 something. This is for like content. So you put your screw it here. So I basically, when my client is lying down, I kind of like hold it here, be upside down, so I can take pictures and stuff like that. I got some of these clips for my wigs, and I got them in pink. I'm starting to like pink, you know. I mistakenly ordered 2 of these, so yeah. I got some lashes so that I can use on my clients when I'm doing makeup. Yeah, I like them. They're not too long or anything like that, and they come in different styles, I realize. Yeah, I think I ordered 2 of the mirror, I got another one. It's a darker pink. Let me see what this is. Oh, scissors. I gotta order scissors. So guys, I think that's it for the video. Please remember to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.